In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I make $1,523 every single day from the stock market. And as well as that, I'm going to give you 3 stocks that are going to explode next week, potentially. So you can actually know that I'm the real deal. Here is my daily P&L from my broker. Now, I don't know if it's too bright. I'm going to pull a screenshot, and as well as that, you can actually check my Discord. It's free. Now, do bear in mind, this wasn't always the case. I used to make $1,500 a month working as a personal trainer. I remember the days that I actually cleaned the floor of my studio and actually earned $1,500 a month. Not a day, a month. Now, what if I told you you can be profitable without learning all those SMC, ICT nonsense consistently from an untapped niche? Sounds good, right? Well, this is exactly what the OTC market is. Essentially, if you don't know what the OTC market, it's a market run by retail. You and I. Unlike the big markets which are run by hedge funds, this market is a little bit unique. Probably heard about it from the Wolf of Wall Street when he says pink sheets. Pink sheets is essentially what they call the OTC market. Now, consistently, I've been managed to pull $1,523 every single day on average from this market. And you can do the math yourself. I'm not going to do it, but it made me a shit ton of money. And the way you're going to make money from the OTC is actually searching for hidden gems. You see, a lot of these stocks are actually garbage, but even in the garbage, you can find some hidden diamonds. So let's move to the computer so I can actually show you exactly what I do and how I found these stocks. Well, first off, let's open Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. What I'm going to search for is stocks that are being currently talked on, essentially what other traders are saying, okay? So we can see GTVH. GTVH is a stock that actually pulled a magnificent run. And by the looks of the chart, it's actually went down tremendously all the way to 0009, and it's already bounced up like 50%. Let's go into open TradingView and see what about GTVH is so interesting, right? GTVH stock, and let's open it. Right, so as we mentioned earlier, it's like 50% up on the day, and this is like not that much of a movement. We can see that yesterday it was being like sold tremendously. Like, look at all the volume in the past like previous month, and up until yesterday it usually like stayed the same, but yesterday something happened, and today, as a follow-up on that, we can see a big red, like green candle. So again, let's open Twitter and understand what happened yesterday. Now, I already know what happened yesterday, so I'm going to like save you the hassle of going through Twitter. Essentially, what happened is a lot of people thought that one of the influencers that influenced this tremendous run up, 2,500%. So the main guy that actually like did all this run up, a lot of people thought he sold his stock. That caused the stock to dump, and a lot of people to sell their stock at the lowest point that the stock has traded for like the past couple of months. And today he actually said that he didn't sell his stock. Now, what happens when a lot of people sell when they think something bad happened, but eventually it didn't happen, and they just assumed and acted on that like hypothesis? Usually the stock bounces. So we can see exactly that here. Now, as well as that, what is interested in GTVH, right? Let's open it up. Let's go to the Explorer and search for GTVH with the $. We can see that the CEO actually tweeted yesterday, and that is a big catalyst in the OTC. When a CEO says something like positive, let's go, this is the page of the CEO, and 20 hours ago, an exciting update is on the way, and we cannot wait to share, $GTVH. Now, when you see this as an investor or a trader in the OTC, this is a big opportunity to capitalize on, because honestly, that just makes a lot of traders and a lot of investors look at the chart and then understand like, damn, we're really this low after all that run up, let me buy some share. And then more people think the same, and then more people think the same, and then the stock goes up. It's really fucking simple. So the first stock that I'm actually looking at is GTVH, and bear in mind this like simple thought process actually netted me well over 7 figures. Now, besides GTVH, we also have 2 more tickers and stocks that I'm actually looking at, which are going to be ADHC and KGKG. Now, both of them have like amazing catalyst and the charts are actually primed. ADHC for a breakout of previous highs, and KGKG is actually like bottomed, and I'm just loading the shit out of it. For me, this is a really good opportunity because there is a lot of liquidity, and as well as that, the stock is really fucking low. And they also have like a catalyst that a lot of people didn't pay attention to. So I'm just finding my hidden gems. Now, if you enjoy this video and this type of video and actually my brain dumping ideas, let me know in the comments below so I can actually make more content like this and more videos like this. And if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and actually leave a comment or a like. I appreciate it a lot.